Welcome back to Mattress Breeze. This is tips and tricks for the Zinus Eurotop Pocket Spring Hybrid Mattress. In this video, we're going to be going over some tips and tricks for this mattress to help you get the best experience from it. Now before we go any further, I do want to remind you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It helps out the channel a lot. And for your convenience, we do have the link to this mattress, as well as several different products we're going to talk about in the video description. So be sure to check out those links for the latest info on pricing and availability, because that information does change from time to time. But with that being said, let's get into the video. My first tip for this mattress is to use a taller bed frame, both for more elevation and storage underneath the bed. In this example, we have the Amazon Basics 14-inch foldable metal bed frame, and as you can see, there is definitely a good amount of storage space underneath the bed. With storage space underneath the bed, you're going to get more flexibility in how you're able to store things in your bedroom. You can store larger objects to free up space in your closet, or you can get rid of clutter by using the space underneath the bed to store smaller objects as well. There are lots of different ways you can do it, and with a taller bed frame, it's also a lot easier to match the height of your bed to a piece of furniture like a nightstand. Now, one thing I particularly like about this specific bed frame is that not only is it really tall, giving you a ton of storage space and good elevation off the ground, but its foldable design also makes it extremely easy to move around. So if you're gonna be moving your bed from one room to another or something like that, it's really easy to just collapse this bed frame and you can put it wherever you want to, and it's not gonna take up much space. Again, we do have the link to this bed frame in the video description, and there's also an even taller version at 18 inches. The second tip for this mattress is to use a bag for transportation. When you're moving a mattress, it can be exposed to all sorts of things, from regular damage to moisture to dust. There's no end to all the risks involved with moving a mattress, whether you're moving to a completely different location that involves transportation or just moving from one room to another. It's always a good idea to keep your mattress protected, which is why it's such a good idea to get a good mattress bag to protect the mattress from damage. This specific mattress bag in the video is not only really durable, being made out of a high quality tarp material, but it's also really easy to use and comes with really strong handles, making it even easier to pick up the mattress. And with how heavy and awkward to move this specific mattress can be, having a mattress bag with strong handles makes transportation so much easier. The next tip for this mattress is to use a mattress cover for extra protection during normal use. Now this mattress does have a decently nice microfiber top, but honestly, for regular use, even if the mattress isn't going to be exposed to stuff like dust, dirt, pets, spills, and that sort of thing, it's still a good idea to have a mattress cover just to keep the mattress fresh for longer. Another thing about mattress covers is that many of them, like this specific mattress cover in the video, are extremely easy to apply, and you can put them on just like any fitted sheet. So at the end of the day, you're going to get an extra layer of protection over your mattress from all kinds of things like spills, damage, environment, whatever the situation is, without too much trouble. The next tip for this mattress is to add a mattress topper. Now, while this mattress is a great all-around mattress and it provides really good back support, it's definitely not the softest out there. And I know there are lots of people who prefer that really soft cloud-like comfort foam texture, and you're really not going to get that with this mattress. Fortunately, there are plenty of mattress toppers out there that are really inexpensive and make the experience of lying on the mattress so much softer, so you really get the best of both worlds. You get a super soft mattress topper to lie on, and then the mattress itself is going to provide really good back support, so overall, it's a really good compromise. This specific mattress topper in the video is the Sleep Innovations 4-inch dual-layer gel memory foam mattress topper. Now this mattress topper is really cool because not only is it really soft, but the memory foam it's made of is also infused with cooling gel to help dilute excess body heat so you don't get too hot while you're sleeping. And this is really cool because this specific mattress itself doesn't actually have any cooling mechanisms. So with a mattress topper like this, you're going to get that additional benefit. And also, as you can see here, this mattress topper does come with a cover on top of that. So it not only is going to provide the benefits of a mattress topper, but also the benefits of a mattress cover as well. In case you're interested, we have included the link to this mattress topper in the video description, so be sure to check it out for the latest info on pricing and availability, because as always, that is subject to change. The next tip for this mattress is to be sure to use the right pillows. Some people might think that you can just go out and get any old pillow and it's going to be the same, but this is definitely not the case. In fact, pillows are almost as important as choosing the right mattress because there's so many different types of pillows that are drastically different from each other. Whether you want a firmer memory foam pillow, like this Coop Home Goods pillow right here, that conforms to your head and neck and is more focused on support, or if you'd rather have a really fluffy, softer, plush pillow, like these Beckham Hotel Collection pillows, that may not be super focused on support, but are more focused on softness and comfort. There's so many different types of pillows, so it's really important to remember to get one that'll fit your needs and preferences. The next tip for this mattress is to be sure to rotate it every so often to keep it fresh. This is going to prevent any one side from having too much pressure on it for too long, so it can last a little bit longer without losing its shape and fullness. This doesn't need to be done super frequently, but rotating it every 3 months or so is definitely going to make a difference. Our next tip for this mattress is to use a bed frame that can support it without a box spring. Box springs are nice in some situations, especially if you get the right one, but they can be a pain to set up, and sometimes even finding the right one can be a lot of unnecessary work. If you get a bed frame with slats strong enough to support a mattress without a box spring, you can completely skip this step and get your full bed completely set up a lot faster. Now, this bed frame in the video is the Zinus Misty upholstered platform bed frame. One thing I really like about this particular bed frame is that not only is it durable enough to hold a mattress without a box spring, but it also looks really nice and is super easy to set up. In fact, the box it comes in includes all the materials and tools you need, and the instructions are so straightforward that you can get it built in as little as a half hour. Our final tip for this mattress is to let it air out for a little while before using it. Most mattresses you're going to get are going to come really tightly sealed. They do this for a couple reasons. First of all, to allow it to fit into a more compact box that's easier to transport. And second of all, to protect the mattress from damage during shipping. While this is really effective, it also really compacts the mattress, so when you open it at first, it's going to be a little bit on the flat side. So I do recommend letting the mattress sit to air out for at least a few hours before using it. Now, ideally, you should let it sit for about 72 hours, but not everybody is going to have that type of time. So as soon as it reaches its full volume and really has a normal texture to it and doesn't feel flat at all, it should be fine, but keep in mind that the longer you let it air out, the better. But those were our tips and tricks for the Zinus Eurotop Pocket Spring Hybrid Mattress. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope these tips and tricks help you get the most out of your mattress as well. Once again, for your convenience, we have included every item we went over during these tips and tricks in the video description, so feel free to check out those links to see the latest info on pricing and availability, because that information is always changing. But that's it for this video. As always, I will see you in the next one.